Please note, if you are collecting samples in a known high radioactive area, please be sure to wear gloves and other protective gear. In general, water samples are not pure and may contain dissolved minerals and organic matter. Sediments and other materials suspended in the water are not generally considered to be part of the sample. The water sample should be filtered to remove as much sediment as possible. The sediment may be analyzed as well by filtering with a pterid filter and counting the sample using the filter protocol in the following section. Weigh a clean, labeled Marinelli beaker with the top on and record this weight as the sample tare weight. Transfer the sample into the Marinelli beaker and ensure that the beaker is filled to the top. Place the lid on the container, remove any excess water from the exterior of the Marinelli with a paper towel or clean cloth, and weigh the sample and record the weight as the gross sample weight. Subtract the container tare weight from the sample gross weight to obtain the net count weight of the sample. Record this weight as the gross count. Assume that the density of the water is 1 gram per cc and convert the weight to liters by dividing the net weight of the sample in grams by 1,000. Use this volume when performing activity calculations and count the sample according to established protocols. The water sample can be stored in the Marinelli. However, a radionuclide dissolved in water can plate out on the walls of the sample container over time. This can result in inaccuracies in sample analysis. If samples are to be retained for longer than 5 days, they should be preserved with sufficient concentrated nitric or hydrochloric acid to bring the pH below 2.0. Generally, 2 milliliters of concentrated nitric acid per liter of sample is adequate to achieve the target pH.